Welcome to Ian's Product Focus. We're focusing on controllers and this is the EC2. The EC2 is a 2-fan controller. It will do your minimum and maximum fan speed, but it also has an offset for the incoming fan. So if you've got too big a fan blowing in or too small a fan going out, this fan will control the amount of air coming in from your intake fan and balance your room perfectly. So the EC2 is thermostatically controlled. So that means it's going to thermostatically control your room. It's going to balance your room out perfectly. Each one of these controllers, each one of the thermostatic controllers has a 2-degree bandwidth. So that means if you want your fan to be running at your full maximum speed that you've set, you set the room at 24. It means it will come out of minimum fan speed at 24 degrees. And when it gets to 26 degrees, your fan will be running at the maximum fan speed you've set. If you want your room to be running at full speed at 28 degrees, set the thermostat to 26. When it gets to 26, the controller will kind of wake up. It will ramp your outtake fan up to full speed, up to 28 degrees, and then it will run in full speed. So the bandwidth is just basically 2 degrees bandwidth. Whatever you set it at, it will run 2 degrees above that and try to get that temperature down. So if you're running at 26, it creeps out at 26 to 27, it will ramp up your fan speed. If it's still not cool in your room and it goes higher, it will ramp it up again. And by the time you get to 28 degrees, it will be on full speed. If it drops the temperature, it will drop down again and drop down. When you get past 26, it will go into minimum fan speed mode. Really techie controller, but still really easy to use. So that's it for the EC2 fan controller. Really easy to use. It's for 2 fans, an intake and an outtake, but you can reduce the intake fan to stop that positive pressure. It's a great little fan controller. Jump on the G.A.S website for more details. Cheers guys.